Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade saltwater taffy. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, and 1 cup of water. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of salt and your favorite flavoring extract, like vanilla or peppermint. Also, prepare a large, clean surface by buttering it generously. This will be crucial for the next steps. Now let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine the sugar, corn syrup, water, and salt. Place it over medium heat, stirring continuously until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and insert a candy thermometer. Continue cooking the mixture without stirring until it reaches exactly 250 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature is key for the perfect taffy consistency. Once the mixture reaches 250 degrees Fahrenheit, carefully pour it onto your generously buttered surface. Let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until it's cool enough to comfortably touch with your hands. At this point, add a few drops of your desired food coloring and 1 teaspoon of your chosen flavoring extract. This is where the magic of color and taste truly begins to unfold. Now for the fun part, pulling the taffy. Butter your hands lightly and begin stretching and folding the cooled mixture. As you pull, the taffy will incorporate air, becoming lighter in color and more opaque. Continue this process for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's firm and holds its shape. Finally, stretch it into a long rope, cut it into 1-inch pieces, and wrap each piece in wax paper. Enjoy your delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.